Today, we're going to cook a tasty chicken curry rice that's super easy and full of flavor. Curry has traveled a long way from ancient spice routes to our modern kitchens. Every culture adds its own twist, turning simple ingredients into something rich, warm, and deeply comforting. The ingredients are all everyday stuff you can grab at the supermarket. First, cut the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Then peel and roughly chop the potato into chunks. This helps create that soft, starchy texture. Cut the carrot into chunks as well, or just use canned sliced carrots if that's easier. Dice half an onion and mince 1 clove of garlic. For the pot, you can use a cast iron or enameled pot. Since curry tends to stain, it's best to go with a darker colored pot if you have one. Heat the pot and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté the chopped onion and garlic with a gentle stir. Then add the chicken and stir fry until it's no longer pink. Lower the heat, sprinkle in the salt and curry powder, and give everything a good stir. Add the chopped potato and carrot, stir again to coat everything evenly. Then pour in 1 cup of water and about 2/3 of a cup of coconut milk. Add a bit more water, just enough to cover all the ingredients, and a tablespoon of sugar, along with the sliced canned mushrooms. Mix everything together gently. Put the lid on and let it simmer on medium-low heat for about 20 minutes. After that, take a peek if the potatoes still have sharp edges. They need a little more time. But if they're soft and starting to break down a bit, that means they're perfectly tender and the curry is ready to go. You can use Thai jasmine or sushi rice. Pack it into a small bowl, press gently, then flip it onto a plate or just scoop it straight on. Ladle a generous amount of the warm curry over or beside the rice and finish with a sprinkle of black sesame seeds on top. And that's it, a comforting homemade plate of chicken curry rice ready to enjoy.